Hi friends, today we're going to practice referring to structural elements of a text. Now, structural elements, text structure, is a way a text is put together. It's the different parts of a text. And this helps us better understand and enjoy the story. It helps us understand what the story is about and what's happening. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to go to step 1. I have to decide if the text is a poem, a story, or a play. I have to look at my different genres. Well, here I have some examples of different genres. The Milliner, let me see. Well, The Milliner has its character, and I see that this isn't really complete sentences. It's written in shorter lines and it's divided in stanzas. Oh, I know that those are characteristics of a poem. A poem tells us a story in an imaginative way and it has lines and stanzas. All right, so that's a poem. Let me go to the second one. Zeus was king of the gods and most powerful. He was the god of the sky and thunder and controlled the weather. All right, so complete sentences. It has a character, and I'm learning about the character and what he does. All right, this may be a story. Yeah, it's a story, because a story has a character, and it usually gives us a problem and solution. It tells us about them, and it can be fiction or non-fiction. All right, I got my second one. It's a story. Let me look at my third one. Athena and Arachne, how spiders came to be. Well, I have a character list, and I know that all of the texts have characters, so let me keep on reading. Arachne, Athena, chorus 1, chorus 2. I suppose, but I am sure I am a much better weaver, even than Athena, disguised as an old woman. Ooh! When I have that in parentheses, that's called a stage direction. A stage direction tells the characters what they have to do. Oh, so this must be a play. Yes, a play has characters. It has dialogue. Here we see each character speaking. And it has stage directions. It tells them what to do. All right, and this is today's text. So I know that today's text is a play. Awesome. Step 1, check. Now I can go to step 2. What is the text mostly about? Well, I know the title is Athena and Arachne and how spiders came to be. And I remember that when I read this, there was a competition between Athena and Arachne because Arachne thought she was a better weaver and she got turned into a spider. All right. The text is about how Arachne disrespected the gods and became a spider. I got what the text is mostly about. Check. Now I can go to step 3. Describe how the parts help you enjoy and understand the text. Well, I know that plays describe scenes, dialogue, and stage directions. Well, in the first page I have my characters, so I know who I'm going to be reading about. And then I have the dialogue of each character, so each character knows when it's their turn to read. And I also saw before the stage directions, which help the characters know what they're supposed to do. All right, all of these parts together really help me understand what the play was about. So I figure out what type of text it is by looking at the different parts. I find what the text is mostly about, and then I look at the different parts to see how they better help me understand the story. All right, I did it. Make sure you have your notes down because now it's going to be your turn to practice. Good luck.